Welcome back to our channel. In geometry, a cube is a 3D solid object bounded by 6 square faces with 3 meeting at each of the vertices. It has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. In this video, let us see how to plot this 3D shape cube in Python using Matplotlib. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe and don't forget to like the video and share with your friends. First, import the needed packages. NumPy is to provide a three-dimensional array functionality. Matplotlib is for visualization of the plot. And the next one is to import Access 3D from MPL toolkit, which is by default available with the Matplotlib in Python. Let us define the parameters for our cube using MP1s, and it shall be three-dimensional array with three arrays of 3 elements, and I want these array elements to be a bool. So define the data type as bool. Let us print and see what is this cube array holding. We can see that it is a three-dimensional array with data type as bool, so it has the value of true. Now going further, we can see how to plot this and get the 3D shape cube. As it has to be a three-dimensional array, to the axis pass the projection as 3D. Let us set the display area using face color as cyan, and I'm going to use a volumetric plot which shall fill the face colors and edges of our cube, and that is nothing but vexels as provided by Access 3D, which shall take the cube and gets the parameter for XYZ with face color set to E02050. It is better if we have our axis off. So let me pass off to the axis and let us see how our cube looks like at this level. So we got our cube, but it is better if we have some edges displayed. So let us also pass edge colors as black color. So using volumetric plot vexels, we are passing the XYZ parameter from the array cube and set the face color as E02050, and to have the distinguished edge colors, we are having it set to black color by passing K. So we have our cube displayed. It is very easily done in Matplotlib. Hope you like the video. Please like and share with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe.